Hey guys, so right now I'm standing at Raisen Fort, just around 23 kilometers from Bhopal, and honestly, this place is something else. As soon as I walked in, there was a strange silence, not empty but meaningful. You know that feeling when you step into a place that's witnessed hundreds of years of history. This fort is over 800 years old, built on a hilltop, most likely for a strategic defense back in the day. It was once ruled by the Paramras of Malwa and later came under the control of powerful rulers like Sher Shah Shuri and Akbar. This place has seen dynasties rise and fall, and each wall here is like a page from a history book. But what it touched me that most is the story of Rani Durgavati. She remembered not just a queen, but as a symbol of resistance and pride. When the Mughal army invaded, instead of surrendering, she chose Johar, an act of sacrifice to protect her honor and her people. Hundreds of women followed her in that ultimate act of bravery. Just standing here where it all happened, it gave me actual goosebumps. This is not just a fort, it's a monument of courage and loss. As I explore the inside, you can see a beautiful blend of Hindu and the Islamic architecture. There is an old Shiva temple, and not far from it, a dargah that shows how this place once stood for a culture and unity. The carvings, the stone steps, the water tanks, everything is functional yet artistic. It's amazing how, even after centuries of weathering, this place still stands with such strength. And the view from the top, the breathtaking. You can see panoramic view of the landscape below. And that moment, everything just goes quiet. It's one of those rare places where nature and history coexist, and so peacefully. Most people miss this spot when they visit Bhopal, but honestly, it's a hidden heritage gem. It's not crowded and there is no commercial, just a pure raw history all around you. I hope you felt the vibe of Rise and Fort through my words. Let me know in the comments, did you already know the place? Thank you.